What's up?
What?
We went through a lot, guess it wasn't enough.
It wasn't.
Don't lie, you know? You was messing with that barber, you the hoe. I swear nothing was the same like before.
Like before.
Used to be my best friend, not no more.
Not no more.
Used to be my best friend, not no more.
Not no more.
Nah, I got you begging by the dough.
Not a dough.
Nah, I got you asking for some more.
For some more.
I used to play for.
Who would have thought your barber could be an artist too?
I'm not playing with you.
Oh. Alright, man. Celebrity cuts, once again. Hey, talk this time, because last time you were looking like an alien. Okay. Check him out. Appreciate it, sir. Have a good night. Alright, we're in the airport. Time to go to Miami. First time. Logan, and we got Kriston just landed from Fort Worth.
Fort Worth?
From Texas.
Oh, I was like, we're in Miami, not Fort Worth.
I mean, from Fort Worth to Miami.
It's too early in the morning. Right?
Yeah, I can tell. Let's head out, gentlemen. Oh, you want to do it now? No, do it now.
It's still got 5 minutes.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll run it. Like a meetup point. What are you guys thinking? What's central Little Havana?
Best things to do in Little Havana.
Alright, we're really in our Uber right now. Aria, it's gonna give us a 5-star trip.
Uber Aria.
It's a Little Havana. And yeah, man, we just arrived to Miami, man. First time. Hopefully it's a fun, well, it will be a fun time.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a great time.
Memorial Day weekend.
Yep, sun is out.
Buns out. Oh. Downtown Miami. Miami Beach. Versailles. Cuban cuisine. No, I can't travel there.
Right now I'm sipping on wop. FedEx, I'm shipping gelato with locks. Come with no weed, I be planting the crop. AMG engine, they come with no key. I'm on the beach like I stand on my feet. Gun by my arm, shoot when I reach. I did it first and they got it from me. Turning my denim, I feel like Bruce Lee. Proud of my coat that I rock in the winter. Running my bands in the month of September. When you do favors, they never remember. Crib in my pocket, I feel like I'm RZA.
Come get that work. Tell that hoe to flip that twerk. Nigga, this my turf.
Look at the skin pigmentation difference, bro. Like, come on, bro.
Come on. I got a little tan yesterday. Yeah. Okay, fine. Logan and I are brothers.
So we just finished eating at Versailles. Had a good convo. Reunited with Caroline. It's hot as shit, and I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. But it's cool because we're about to go and check into the Airbnb. So, hey man, we're in Miami. It's hot as shit. It's bright as shit. My eyes need to readjust because I'm always in a dark room at work. So, it's okay. I brought sunglasses. We should be good. Aria looking like a, well, you had the boy head. Oh.
I see it.
Here we go.
Oh. Hey.
Close enough. That's right. Swagging out. All right, man.
Get some drinks.
Let's go get them drinks.
Yeah.
Total Wine, the grocery store beers, and liquor.
I think that is the heat right there.
Okay. Stadium. Planetarium, aquarium, for our science.
Oh. I kick Kevin out now.
Wow. Caribbean man. Total Wine. We meet again, but this time I'm of age, of course. When the light is good, bro, we are in the presence of palm trees, ladies and gentlemen. Jeez, we on the 3rd floor, pretty high up. I gotta watch the camera, also break. But yeah, man, we are in the Airbnb, 301, my area code. The boys are in here.
What's up?
How are y'all? We got the couch, living room area, and bada boom, bada bing. We have a nice little view outside of the city, man, and we are walking distance from the beach.
And it's a real plant. Look at this. Real.
That's a real plant?
Water this.
Wow, that's crazy. Got a nice big, maybe 60-inch. Thank you, Aria.
You can sleep on the porch. The beach towels.
We got a 60-inch Sony, you know, for the video games, because I brought the switchy switch. We got
magic rooms.
Magic rooms. Oh, aren't we we sharing these? Anyway, we got the bathroom over here. Boy, oh boy, man. I feel disrespectful. I should take my shoes off, honestly. Like, and we got the shower. Wow, I like the shower. Very nice. I like the little rocky flooring. Like the style, kind of have the same style and pattern at home. Full body mirror with a closet. Reminds me of home, honestly. They locked the closet. That's interesting. There's towels in there too. Yeah. Here's the first bedroom. Got a little painting on the wall. View out the window. And queen size bed. So that can fit 2 people. Who's sleeping with who? We will never know. That's a nice little lamp, some layering. Washer dryer, that's gonna be handy, definitely. Here comes the second room.
I actually think there's only 2 towels.
This one has a TV in it, so that's pretty convenient. This is the master, wow. Got another painting, oh, not painting, but artwork on the wall. Queen size.
Guys, we have a fucking umbrella too.
Yeah.
We have a huge ass umbrella for the freaking beach, let's take that. Whoop, whoop.
It's gonna be good.
Some towels up top, you know. And wow. Is there buttons on this? Wow, this is a girl's dream right here, bro. Oh my god. There's buttons on the mirror.
That's awesome. This is my dream right here. Wow.
That is sick. That's pretty tough. Pretty tough. Looking crystal clear from that. Shower also looking pretty nice as well. Kind of similar design.
Plenty of room for a couple of friends.
Yeah. Look, Cole is insinuating things that I do not participate in. Screw the DMCA. Got Arya out here doing some extra labor after the cleaners were just here.
Underneath Cole, feet up, feet up.
6 hours later.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Everybody dap him up. Everybody dap him up. Cool. Wow. What a establishment. What an establishment.
Crib?
Yep.
We're gonna take you outside on the balcony.
Alright.
You know, I like to wake up at 4 a.m. when everyone's asleep and being and just take it in how much better I am. And then I walk across the street to the Equinox into my 5 a.m. spin class.
Holy sh**. This is an insane view of the city. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, this is scary. Whoa, this is amazing.
I'm so much taller than everyone else around me.
And better.
So and that means you're better than them. Yes. As my morning coffee and just sip it, you know, my Starbucks.
And spill it.
And I spill it and I spit over the edge.
On my enemies. This guy over here should be a perfect commentator for MTV Crib. Seriously. Hey, fuck going on with you? Hey, nigga. You know exactly what the fuck. So everybody's learning names here. Wait. Do it for the vlog. You're not gonna do it.
Making it. Karia with a K.
Like with the K, like his.
That's like that's
okay. Karia with a K. What's her last name?
Rossler.
Rossler. Karia with a K. Rossler.
Yes.
Okay.
We're just confusing her, guys. What are we doing? Like, she's not gonna know the rest of us. Like, that's just how it sounds like right now. Great reenactment.
This is first.
The great reenactment of a bartender right here.
100% first.
They are always bobbing their head to whatever song is playing. Like, we're dangling tonight. And I'm not no fashionista, but I'm fly though. And I know I gave up drinking, but I'm high though. But I try though. The eye though. Wide open, they slide open. They I notice they treat me like I'm chosen. I notice. Hey.
night, morning after, first night. Yeah, yeah, until 5 a.m. Here's a Vlogmaster.
I spaz out till I pass out. It's clarity, him on vulgarity for a sad mouth.
He's not alive.
Not funny. Apparently you
He
ain't
is
nothing
not
but
breathing.
industry crash dummies. As long as the Lord love me, I'm good. I could.
It's currently 7 p.m.
Alright, so we have made it to the boat. It is the next day. I was out for like 12 hours to recover. I'm feeling a little better. So here we are. Here's the fit check. Took my shoes off. Boat. Be careful, Cole. And yeah, man. About to get on the boat. We on a boat. Vibing with the chips and salsa.
This is a vlog here, man.
This is a vlog, man.
Hell yeah, what's up, guys?
Vlog.
2020, what is it? 2020, what is it? 2022. Miami.
You really?
We're out here on the beach, on the boat.
On the boat. On the beach.
On the beach, on the boat.
Close enough, close enough.
Same thing.
The girls just want fun. The boys, we make noise. The girls kiss the girls. I ain't got the kids be alright, just fine. I heard about all the long shots and lies, all the drugs on my mind, all the troubles I can find. Still I smile.
We have taken off. We're out at sea. My hat. Anthony and I almost lost our hats.
I got it.
Yep. Whoa, the water. Yeah. Got a little glare. What's up, bro? There's our captain. There's Cole. We are getting wet. Cracking a cold one.
Hell yeah.
Oh man, the legs are on point, Carolina, man. I'm gonna shift over when I feel comfortable. And yeah, let the tent sit. Let the freaking trucks. City of Miami, man.
Hey, got out here. Living our best life.
Thank you.
The concern. This is not that bad. Monsoon season! Kevin's one of the main pillars of this boat right now. Would anyone care for soggy goldfish? It's not even open. Straight up soggy.
Not what we expected, but we out here. We are out here. No one expected us.
A few moments later.
I ride the 5 maxes. 5 decks. If he gets through this deck, then we'll call it. Okay.
We have arrived.
Got everything?
Out the Uber. So we just came back, or left Central Wynwood. So Jacob Forever live, man. Not expected at all.
He was good.
Yeah,
really
I enjoyed it.
He's a great performer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interacts with the crowd, busts down, iced out, like really amazing guy. You know what I'm saying? Has a good following. It was my first time really seeing him live, but I was impressed. So yeah, $20, free concert. I'm with it. Next, 11. All right, good morning, guys. I know a lot has happened this whole trip, and we didn't document all of it, but hey, we were trying to make the most of bad situations, so definitely didn't want to take out the camera in those situations. But yeah, I am packing my luggage, last 2 things, and we are all heading out of the spot. Y'all did a good job of cleaning up as well, so looking good, looking great. Here's the last thing.
What's up, guys?
Y'all head out. Moving out.
One clear coke is on the cold is out. I had 20,000 paint seal in the drought. 12 in the corner, me and the dog getting out. Got 27 colors, this Versace couch. I got it from Birdman out of his Miami spot. I told her, bitch, don't call me, she a Miami dot. They hate to see you rockin' big old panties, rose gold. White diamonds on my wrist, just like my main bitch toes. I caught the top off for the beans that when it was cold. I got a lot of thoughts, but got respect for my hoes. I got a lot of spots to recess for all my kids in the back. Playgrounds galore for teachers, asking why all of them brats. Got big with get sitting on my neck. I throw it to my dog and told him fish. Fuck over off vacation, she the best. I fucked her hard, I put that bitch to bed. I called him up and told him what he said.
Out of Miami, man. Last day, last couple hours.
Quick photo shoot.
Yeah, quick photo shoot, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get it right. We didn't get our pics, so, you know, trying to get it in now. There you go. We look good. Some amazing, successful men busting. Alright, let's go.
So far.
Yep.
Coming to an end.
Currently heading out of the Zara.
This is a Zara tee. That's $20.
$20.
Not actually. Zara's overpriced.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I agree. Tenfold.
Yeah, Zara, come on, man, overpriced. We're gonna launch a line, Kevin's line. It's gonna be fantastic. Man.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely, dude.
Authentic,
coming soon. Coming soon. Check the vlog.
100%.
Link in bio.
Link in bio. There you go. So we're at Paul Displus, grabbing some food, and then we're about to go ahead and head out pretty soon. 4 hours, so my flight's minus 4 hours. Where's the lighting? The lighting is right here. Perfect. Yeah, man. It was an amazing trip. Besides the dumbass freaking rain that took out our freaking trip plans for the boat, it was still pretty amazing and phenomenal. We're about to head out soon. They're selecting their pastries, selecting their dessert, and yeah, we're gonna head out after that.
Forever 21.
They used to not have a men's section now. I mean, I agree with that.
Yeah, I thought it was a girls' store.
It used to be, not anymore. I have jeans from Forever 21. I'm sobbing as we're about to leave. Never even, okay guys, dang, what the, this really got emotional. Real tears. You're a great actor. Crying on cue. Can you believe it? Wow.
Yeah, we don't take cards. Yeah, no cash up. Yeah, no PayPal. Yeah, if you can, we just doing cash.
Alright, we are back in Baltimore. Thank you guys again for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Doing YouTube for a long time and I hate repeating myself, but I really would appreciate if you guys really support the videos and push them out to other people. So again, thanks for enjoying this time we had in Miami. I know it wasn't exactly what we anticipated it to be, but hey, we made the most out of it. I made some new friends and I made new connections. And I saw a new city in America that I've never been to. So yeah, man, I'm signing out. Got work in the morning, so let's go prep ourselves to take this Uber. Actually about a couple minutes away, now 2 minutes. So yeah, guys, thanks. Have a wonderful, amazing rest of your day. Peace and hair grease.
Got my education in prison. Got my education like from the trenches, from the block. You know what I'm saying? Being involved and all that. Yeah. I got my education in prison, but I can't go to college. I remember all the older boys, but I don't pay no homage.